We move on to some news on ESG. Very recently, the environmental, social and governance ESG-related investments in Malaysia are anticipated to surge this year. Small companies are likely to export ESG-compliant goods, especially to EU or European Union countries. This is coming from MIDA, the Malaysian Investment Development Authority. Last year, MIDA approved 889 green tech and green efficient projects with an investment value of 3.7 billion ringgit.
In the first quarter of this year, the country attracted 212 green technology projects and services activities amounting to 433 million ringgit. MIDA Chief Executive Officer Dato' Arham Abdul Rahman said ESG investments would stem from new foreign direct investments, domestic direct investment and existing companies in the country.
I'm expecting there will be more investment, in particular the FDIs, but not only FDIs, also the DI in line with the ESG, the target by the government of Malaysia. This is because I'm referring not only to the new investment that will be coming to Malaysia, but as well as other companies that are already operating in Malaysia. Many of these MNCs in particular, they are exporting back their product to EU, to US, and these countries have put in place by certain years, in particular in EU countries, by 2025, any product that to be exported back from here to EU or in US must be in compliance with the ESG.
From 2001 to March 2022, MIDA approved investments for 3,186 green projects and green services amounting to 35.5 billion ringgit. On the overall investments performance in the first quarter of this year, Arham said the country has attracted 42.8 billion ringgit worth of investments in the manufacturing, services and primary sectors. Last year, Malaysia attracted a record-breaking 306.5 billion ringgit in the manufacturing, services and primary sectors. Despite fears of a global recession, PwC Malaysia Deals Partner of Economics and Policy Patrick Tay Su Eng said ESG investments are likely to increase because investors see this as an opportunity to build stronger foundations to grow post-recession. He opined that the focus on ESG investments would continue to grow, although other investments could be impacted if economic conditions deteriorate.